All right, everyone, welcome back to Time Flies By, and today we have a little bit of a San Martin kind of video for you. So San Martin's been making watches now for about, I would say, 4 to 5, maybe 5 to 6 years. I first discovered them about that long ago on AliExpress through YouTube, and they've come a long, long way. I believe their very first popular watch was the reiteration of a 62 Mas from Seiko, and then they started coming out with sub style watches, and they're doing Fliegers. They're doing a whole bunch of nice things right now, and I would say their quality is probably amongst the best, or maybe is the best on AliExpress right now. They've really pulled themselves ahead of far ahead of the other brands, in my opinion, on their finishing, their movement regulation, their movement choices, their dials, the materials, and so forth and so on. So let's do a quick unboxing. This is the old packaging. We're gonna do a quick comparison, and you get, of course, a really solid keychain, a very nice multi-tool, which is very grippy, very good quality. Okay, and of course you get the watch, which we're going to get into. So like I said, this was the old packaging, which came with this watch here. Okay, so this is their kind of their interpretation of a Dirty Dozen World War II era pilot's watch, field watch, with a NATO band, NATO strap, nylon strap with a floating keeper, and really good hardware, as you guys can see. All milled out and beveled edges and so forth and so on. So really, really nice touch there. So that's the one that came with this black plastic container. So that was actually my very first San Martin watch. Wrist check today, wearing a San Martin vintage sub style homage watch. Again, their interpretation of it. And beautiful watch, female end links, beautiful clasp, beautiful bracelet, really nice profile. Obviously mine is really scratched up. I kind of made a mistake and wore a bracelet with it, but that could always be polished out, and I'm not too worried about that. It's got the drilled lugs. So this one here is a really nice watch. Really nice bezel action. Kind of no backplay, but it just settles back into the space there, and it does line up. There's a little bit of play, but from what I've heard, they've improved their bezel action. It's got the signed hex logo and sterile case back. Beautiful, beautiful clasp. What I like about it, it's got the dual triggers, and it's just so smooth to operate. This watch gets worn, and it does take a beating. All right, so then I moved on to this guy here, and I'll bring in the other one too. It's not the same one. This I have on a Leather Merchant Crazy Horse coconut strap, as you can see there. I didn't want the NATO on this one, and I think the strap just really complements the watch. So same case, same dimensions, same crystal, same everything. The only difference is, let's see if you guys can tell now that they're side by side. So really, really cool. Obviously one's got the broad arrow at the 6 and the just a regular triangle at the 12. And then this one has the San Martin logo and the ticking seconds hand. So both quartz, but you guys can notice a difference that this one here is actually a Mecha quartz, a VK63, I believe, with the no date. So that one's got the 4 ticks per second. This one here just is a single tick at the 6. But either way, I like both complications, and that's why I got them. They were only about $100 a piece. This one I've had for a while, and this one I just got. So this one, the newer one, came in their new packaging, which they kind of went away with the plastic. Really nice leather, really nice foam inserts, and basically the watch just sits inside. And you got this. And it also comes with one of those and one of those. Okay, so we got two Flieger style Dirty Dozen watches. And now for the new one that just came in. I haven't even seen it yet. We're gonna unbox it right now. Oh, that was the tool set. Looks like this one comes with an extra really nice beefy screwdriver combo tool and another keychain. This one feels pretty substantial compared to the Flieger one that came in. All right, so there's the new packaging. Inside the box, you get the warranty card, information. Let's see what it all looks like. Okay, so the model. That's pretty nice. Oh, make a nice coaster, I guess. Yeah, so all pretty cool stuff. Let's get that out of the way. Yeah, this feels solid. Really nice stuff coming out from AliExpress right now. And there it is. So no date. Again, sub style, but this one is the more modern interpretation, whereas you had the blue one here, which is kind of the vintage styling, and you can tell mostly based on profile. So no drilled lugs, little beefier case. This one's got the drilled lugs, got the slimmer case, and it's got the protruding bezel with the gap in between the bezel. It's got the lifted crystal, the double dome box hat crystal. This one here is just a flat. Still got the San Martin logo, which I really like. But the star of the show, which we'll have to see, is the new clasp. So you can see here in the difference in clasp. So this is the shorter, older one, and this is the longer one with the toolless micro adjust. All right, excited to see that. Let's see how it works. It's got plastic on it. Let's see if I can go ahead. I always struggle with the plastic here. This one here didn't take too long. These were part of the end of March sale, so it wasn't too bad on delivery. Just trying to find that edge of the plastic there. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. But so far, I'm really liking what San Martin's doing. It took me a while to get, a watch from them. But then once you get that first one, you just see the quality. And, they're always on sale. They're such a good price. And I'm probably never, ever going to be able to get one of these in real life. So look at that dial. Enamel dial. Gloss dial. Beautiful hands. Screw down crown. Let's get these out of the way. very smooth winding. I believe this is the NH35. One of the gripes I had was with their female end links. If you can see on this one, when it's on wrist, you can see it kind of juts out like that. And it looks okay like this when it's in profile, but when it's sitting on wrist, sometimes it can look like that, and it kind of looks a bit odd. So I'm wondering if they've improved the negative or female end links on this one. It looks like they're a little bit larger. Yeah, it looks like they're a little bit larger, maybe not, I don't know yet. Yeah, just a touch, it's hard to tell. I'll have to see if that happens. Let's go ahead and see if these will come off nicely. So I really want to see this bracelet. All right. Yeah, that's really nice. Really, really nice dual trigger. Push here. I see, so you just push down here. No, I'm not sure how this works yet. Oh, okay, you push down here, not where it says push. You actually push on those three lines, the engraving there. You push down there, and then it snaps in. Yeah, it's really cool. Similar to a Zelos or a Christopher Ward. Now the clasp is going to be a little bit longer, but I don't think it's going to be a problem at all. See how it looks on wrist. 6 3/4 reference is the wrist size. Okay, this crown screwed down really nicely. And there it is. Really happy so far with it. Another black diver, but don't really have one that looks like this, as the other one is blue. Really nice chamfers. We're gonna test the bezel, check the loom, and then call it a day. Ready? Very nice. No back play. And lines up really nicely. Let's see the loom pip. It's kind of flush with the ceramic. That's nice. Really, really nice stuff. Sterile case back, which I'm okay with. We're gonna check the loom really quickly. Really, really good. Very happy so far. The bezel is not loomed, or the insert is not loomed. It's just a pip, and I'm okay with that. Really nice. Okay, guys, that was the first impressions and unboxing. Took a little bit longer, but I did want to show you the comparison between the old packaging and the new packaging. Really cool stuff here from San Martin. I'm going to go ahead and size this up with the tools they provided. And those are my 4 San Martins. 2 divers, 2 fleegers. All right. Cheers. See you in the next one.